Chapter 1 Advanced MS Excel 2013 Central Idea Cell Referencing Define relative, absolute and mixed referencing. Types of chart. Create chart. Modifying the chart settings. Opening an existing workbook. Steps of opening an existing workbook are: Step 1. Go to Backstage by clicking File tab. Step 2. Click Open. You will find the recent Excel workbooks. Step 3. Double-click on the file that you want to work on. Cell referencing. A cell reference refers to a cell or range of cells on a worksheet. Each cell reference contains one or more letters followed by a number. The letter or letters identify the columns and the number represents the row. Examples of cell references are given below. First column, 6th row, A6. 10th column, 22 row, J22. 52 column, 343 row, AZ 343. 10,000 column, 2000th row, NTP 2000. Cell references are helpful in two ways. 1. Provide an easy way to locate a specific value within a spreadsheet. 2. They are used in creating formulas. There are three types of cell referencing in MS Excel 2013. 1. Relative reference. 2. Absolute reference. 3. Mixed reference. Relative reference. To create and copy a formula using relative references, do the following steps. Step 1. Select the cell that will contain the formula. For example, select cell D2. Type equal B2 C2 and press Enter key. Step 2. Locate the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the desired cell. Click, hold and drag the fill handle over the cells you want to fill. Step 3. The formula will be calculated and the result will be displayed in the cell. Step 4. Release the mouse and click outside the selected cell range. The formula will be copied to the selected cells with relative references and the value will be calculated in each cell. Absolute reference. To create and copy a formula using absolute references, do the following steps. Step 1. Select the cell that will contain the formula. For example, select cell D2. Step 2. Enter the formula to calculate. Type equal B2 10 and press Enter key. Click, hold and drag the fill handle over the cells you want to fill. The formula will be copied to the selected cells with absolute references and the values will be displayed in each cell. Mixed reference. Mixed cell references are a combination of relative and absolute references. Mixed cell references also use the $sign. For example, a mixed cell reference would be $A4. This means that the column letter A is fixed, while the row number is allowed to be copied from cell to cell. Using cell references with multiple worksheets. MS Excel 2013 allow you to refer to any cell on any worksheet. It provides the facility to use the cell reference of one worksheet to another. To do this, you will need to begin the cell reference with the worksheet name followed by an exclamation sign. Let us learn with the help of an example. Select an empty cell in sheet 2 and type equal sheet 1 exclamation D7 and press enter key. Result will appear in the desired cell. Charts. A chart is a graphically representation of data. Excel makes it quick and easy to add them to your spreadsheets in order to tell a pictorial presentation. MS Excel provides different type of charts. You can choose the one that represents the data most efficiently. Different types of charts are 1. Column charts, 2. Line charts, 3. Pie charts, 4. Bar charts, 5. Area charts, 6. Surface charts. To insert a chart, do following steps. Step 1. Select the data cells you want to make a chart, including the column titles and row labels. These cells will be the source data for the chart. Step 2. From the Insert tab, click a chart type from chart groups. For example, click on Line Chart. A drop-down list appears in which various options are shown in thumbnail form. Step 3. Choose the chart type from the drop-down list. Step 4. The selected chart will be inserted in the worksheet. Modifying the chart setting. A chart is composed of various elements, any of which can be modified to your own requirements. These include the chart and plot area, the chart title, the legend, the axis and axis titles, the data series including data values and labels, the grid lines. To view where these elements are, click on the chart and then the Chart Elements button, the green plus. A list of the chart elements appears. These options are also available on Chart Tools Design tab under Add Chart Element icon on the ribbon. Chart element. Some chart element will have more options. This option will allow you for formatting of the box that the element is in as well as the text in the element. The options that are available dependent on which element you have selected or the more options. This is a good way to change the look of your chart elements. Chart style. Chart style will show you a few options of pre-built styles within MS Excel. You are able to click on any of the options to see a live change of your chart. If you change the styles, you can always go back into the filter option to change your chart back or to a new look. The color option will allow you to change the colors of the chart. You are able to preview how they will look on the chart by clicking on the color options.